What's up with these punks, man? Oh yeah, like, oh yeah, we locked in. Oh, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Mm. Yeah, yeah, go for the wrong person. Uh huh. Mm. Yeah, 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 grandma. Get to grandma. Oh my gosh, bro, you pissing me off, bro. Bro, I'm about to crash out. I'm about to, I'm about to crash out, bro. Why is the grandma so? Bro, what are you? Alright, man. Easy. Should be one more, right? Two. Okay, that's it. I bet. I. What's your problem? Like, why you keep doing this every time we play?